Before you start a community software project, answer this question. Hi, I'm Kim. I help people use software for working together as a community. Let's talk about communities and software. Communities are about people who want to work together. Software is a tool that people use. Does having software available mean that people will use it? Nuh-uh. Let's look at 3 example scenarios. Let's say you're walking down the street and you find a hammer lying on the ground. Does it mean that you will pick it up and start building a house with it? Of course not. You will continue walking. Let's say you're walking down the street again, but this time you find a hammer and instructions for building a house. Will you build a house now? No. Finally, let's say you find a hammer, instructions, and a suitcase full of money. The instructions tell you how to build a house and that you get to keep the money if you do. Will you build a house now? I think you will. So what changed? In the 3rd scenario, you have a motive that encourages you to pick up the hammer. You need it as a tool to get what you want. You want the suitcase full of money. It's the same thing with community software. You can have the best software in the world. You can teach people to use it. But if people don't have a need to use it, the software becomes worthless. The most important question in any community software project is, do people have a need to use the software? To answer this question, think about this. Do the people want to work together? Do the people need this software to do it? What kind of needs do people have to use your community software? Let me know.